Hey y'all, welcome back to another hair tutorial. If you are new here, I am Sharnique and we are back with another glueless wig install. Y'all know I have been loving these glueless installs, and this video is brought to you by LUVME Hair. So let's go ahead and get into this green and black glueless wig. They sent me an extra package, so I want to do an unboxing. So we got a new robe to the collection. Y'all know I love when hair companies send me new robes. This is a hair straightener brush. My hair has been braided down for months, so I'm probably not going to try it out until I take my braids out. Got tools on their website as well, y'all, so make sure y'all go check out their hair tools on their website. So let's get into this wig. This is their green highlight silky straight glueless 5x5 lace closure wig. Here's a close-up of the lace. The knots are super small, and if y'all been keeping up with my glueless wig install series, and y'all already know I have not been plucking or bleaching the knots because the wig literally comes ready to wear. Okay, so the inside did come with the combs and of course the adjustable band, and of course they sent me some wig caps as well. So we're going to put this baby on. Now for my stocking cap, I only put foundation powder just in the middle since these wigs are lace closure wigs. Now if it was a frontal, of course I would put it all around the entire front perimeter. Since this is a lace closure wig, we're only going to apply foundation powder right in the middle. Also going in and applying some foundation powder on the lace as well, just to ensure that it blends nicely with my skin. So again, their wigs always comes with an elastic band and is adjustable, and I never have to adjust it because it always fits perfectly, y'all. So applying the wig by the band first, and I'm going to take that comb in the very back and just secure it in place. And like I said in my previous hair tutorials, I never use the other combs that's in the wig. This wig is just so fun and so cute. Like, I'm just loving this whole SHEGO vibes, y'all. Like, it's so bomb. So let's go ahead and just finish customizing this wig. So the hairline was a little too perfect for my liking, so I did go in and pluck the hairline some, just a tad bit. I did not go too crazy on the hairline, and I don't know if y'all could see a difference, but I could definitely see a difference. Like, one side looks a little bit more, you know, natural, and the other side looks too perfect, if you know what I mean. So even with a glueless install, I still just love my wigs to be somewhat secured. So I like to go in with my Freeze a Blast spray and just apply just a little bit on the lace just to secure it in place. I'm just happy that I don't have to use lace glue anymore. This has been my technique and this has been working for me. So for my girls who don't want to use the lace glue, definitely try this method out. I'm going to go in with my wax stick and apply that at the top of the hair because it's giving Humpty. You know, we got to take the hot comb and hot comb that hair down because we want a flat bust down bone straight middle part. Like, we want it as flat as possible. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my hot comb that. Now I was thinking about adding some curls, but the wig already came straight, so I just decided to just do a nice bone straight look for this hair. But I'm definitely gonna play around with it and maybe add like some nice curls to it just to see how it will look, because the color is just too pretty not to have curls. Like, when you have highlights, I feel like you just have to have curls, right? But for this install, I was just gonna do a nice clean bone straight, and this hair texture is beautiful. It's so perfect for that nice bone straight look. Okay, as you can see, you can kind of see the difference from one side to the other. That's why I always encourage the girlies to please hot comb your wigs, okay? Because I know for me, I don't like my wigs to look like wigs. Like, I want it to give quick weave, I want it to give suppress, I want it to give scalp. So I always encourage the girlies to use a hot comb, okay? I also love that this wig has a good amount of parting space as well. I definitely feel like you can get away with the side part, but the parting space is literally perfect. Now it's time to go in and flat iron this hair. I'm taking my flat iron and I'm also going to go in with some hair serum and just apply a little bit, because hair serum goes a long way and you don't want to apply too much because you don't want your hair to be stiff and oily. So I'm all done flat ironing this wig, which did not take no time at all. I also love how I did not have to really trim the hair as well. Like, it's literally perfect, okay? So I'm gonna go in and of course add some makeup to the part just to perfect it a little bit. I did not have to go in and pluck the part like I usually would do, so that was perfect. And I'm just gonna take the foundation color that's close to my skin tone, and yeah, it looks so freaking good, y'all. Trimming off that lace, you can already tell that it looks so good and it's just blending in perfectly. I did go back in and add some foundation powder, just a little bit, to the lace because I wanted to make sure that it blended in perfectly with my skin tone. And as you can see, you cannot see the lace at all. Like, it looks so good. So this is the finished product, y'all. I just love how this came out. This is a true bust down, mid apart, bone straight. It's just really eating. So thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to check down below in my description box, leave some comments down below, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.